Good morning. After my walk with Diesel and my yoga, we have breakfast together in this beautiful room. Yeah, then we have breakfast together. Nice. With eggs and a tea. And then around 12 o'clock we're going to do some work. Okay, see you later. I'm now here on Soulages, Chateau de Soulages, for a couple of weeks, so better do some work around here. I will show you what we did yesterday. So, this is what we already did. It came out of the old barn. So, and then we going to put it over here, but we do that later. So first take the rest in. And the weather is nice, so let's do this. So this is what we're doing yesterday.
What's that? Oh yeah. Yes.
You have to get used about the filming, eh?
Yes.
So we're going to drag this all to behind of the chateau, and it is away out of the sight. And it is a mean machine, so
Works.
I have to practice on the tractor. Yeah, there it goes. Then we go to the back. Almost there. Let's take those two big ones. Have some obstacles. Woo. Almost hit the wall. Yeah, and it's all oak, so yeah, you have to save it. The good parts, you never know. Okay, I'm going to unloose them. And the small ones we throw away, and they are too bad. So, oh, then. There we go. Look out for your pipe! Your pipe! Uh-oh. Good morning. The weather is great, so we're going to do some work outside. Let's see. Because this is a little bit overgrown. So we going to take the little trees out of here and cut it down and to make a nice hedge. So yeah, it's a nice job to do, you see, because yeah, that is grow in between it, and then we can trim it back, and then you have a nicer view from both sides to the side buildings and to the chateau. Look, if you cut it down, it will be much nicer. Okay, let's do it. Very warm, but it is nice to work outside. So much better. A little bit cleaning up, but okay. So we're cleaning the place up with all the benches that I cut. So it is like this, quite a mess. So let's see. We have the tractor. So we at the front, so that goes quite well. But yeah, we also could use the back. But we didn't have a car, so we thought we take a big bag, put it on the tractor, on a rope, and let's see.
Where's my cup of tea?
Yes, yeah, first we have to get this stuff away and then you get your cup of tea. Let's see if it works. There we go. Woohoo! Yeah. Then we can clear this up. And then it will be very nice. But yeah, there is a gate in there, so it's quite a work to get that out. But yeah, that's why I first cut it, and maybe it's possible by the tracker. So yeah, we have to give it a try. Whew, that's another way to transport things. If you don't have a trailer. Eh? And there he's coming, the chef cook of today. Nice. Fish and chips. With a very good wine. I'll show you. Yeah, I think it's a very good one. Nice white wine. And some salad. Wow.
Lemon.
Okay. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.